Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download offline maps on Google Maps. To get started, open Google Maps and click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Here it is. Then tap on offline maps. Here is the offline maps. Next, select on your select your own map and choose the area you want to download. Here you have to move it where you want to download the app. For example, let's say I will select this island here. Tap the select area you want to save and click download, and you will see it's downloading. Once download is done, you can go ahead and close the app. Now let's turn off both Wi-Fi and data. I have already switched off both. Let's go to a location on the map and like this one and click on directions. Here you can see I have choose that and click direction. Saying check your internet connection and try again. Now hit the OK and check out how the differential visible even without an internet connection. Here you can see I don't have the Wi-Fi or mobile data on, but still it's showing the direction because I have already downloaded the route. And that's it. You have it. That's how you easily download offline maps on Google Maps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions.